All right. Eugene, my name's Corey. They call me Safetyman. Thanks for coming to Tech Target Virtual Range with me to do some training today. How many years or how many times have you ever fired an actual firearm prior to today?
Not many. Yeah, a few times, you know, as a kid in the country, you know, shooting a couple of little guns, but not too many times.
Okay. And the firearm we're using here is a fake firearm. It's a simulated firearm, right? It shoots like a light beam, a laser beam at the target, and it registers where we hit, right? And it happens pretty quickly, right?
Absolutely.
Pretty accurate, right?
Absolutely.
Got a little bit of recoil?
Yes,
right?
a little bit.
It fits in the holster?
Absolutely.
Right? All right. What are some of the things that we worked on today that you actually liked? Some of the things.
I like working on the commands.
Okay.
You know, trying to de-escalate the situation. You know, positioning my hands on the proper way on the firearm. Shooting down range.
Okay. Okay.
You know, bringing it back into safety.
Okay, so I'm going to give you a fake gun. So this is a fake plastic gun. So if you were pointing that gun at me, what were some of the commands you would give me? Okay, so you're pointing that gun at me. What were some of the commands you would give me? If I'm doing something bad, you would say,
stop.
How
don't
would you
move.
say it?
Stop. Don't move.
Okay, now you shot me, right? And then what would you tell me?
Stay down. Don't move.
Okay, now why would you say those things?
I'll say that just so, you know, the camera, you know, I'll be on camera, giving the proper commands.
Right.
You know, keeping myself, you know, legally safe and making sure the subject don't move again.
Exactly, right? So it's tactically sound to keep him from doing anything.
Absolutely.
It's legally sound to keep you safe in court, and it's morally sound so you feel better about what you did by giving him every opportunity to not do that evil, dangerous thing. He or she did it anyway, and you had to defend yourself, your family, some other third party.
Absolutely.
Can I hold this?
Yes.
Thanks. Okay, so one of the other things that we did is we did some really good target shooting, right?
Yes.
And you excelled so fast in the target shooting that we actually had to do a competition.
Yeah.
And it took me a while.
You got me.
It took me a while, though.
You got my record. You got my record.
I was nervous, you know.
Yeah.
I don't know if I'm going to bring you back again because you might beat me next time.
I'll come back anytime.
Oh, man, I should have said that. I should have said that. Okay, and then my last question is, we did a simulation of the New Jersey, it's called CCARE, that CCW Qualification course, that 50-round course from 15 yards and in. How did you feel about that?
I felt great. I felt great. You know, I was a little nervous at first. You know, you calmed me down and gave me the instructions, and I was on target.
Okay, and it was
down
pretty good.
range.
You shot 100% of that, didn't you?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
So anybody out there who's watching who gets nervous about taking this new CCARE course, wouldn't you say it's relatively easy?
Absolutely. I would sign up ASAP. I felt very comfortable with Corey, and you know, he showed me the proper techniques and shot down range and made it happen.
Yeah. And would you say somebody who's getting a gun for the first time, whether it be for home defense or to carry outside, that they should take this type of training where it talks about stance, accuracy, holstering, safety, commands, de-escalation, and all that stuff?
Absolutely.
Do you think that's important, or just shooting 50 holes into a piece of paper and going home?
No. Definitely sign up for this class or a class similar to this, because, you know, you don't want to get into legal trouble. You know, I thought I knew, you know, I learned a lot coming in here. You know, I might end up in a courtroom, you know, defending myself without this class, but it taught me a lot, and good. I definitely enjoyed the class. Definitely.
Good. So did I. You're a pleasure to train with, man.
Corey, I appreciate it, brother. Appreciate it.
All right, man. Stay safe, okay?
Yes, absolutely.
All right,
Thank you.
Stay safe.
Thank you.
Thank you, Tech Target, for hosting us.